Hi. Okay. So let's talk about Hanumanji. Hanuman is the monkey god, and people talk a lot about Hanumanji in this divine way. But I like Hanumanji because he represents these two, three qualities that I'm a big fan of. I think any character you like in a movie, any god, deity, symbolism that you get attracted to, it represents something that you deeply value. And I deeply value what Hanumanji represents. He represents courage, he represents clarity, he represents change. These are three qualities which I think are very important in the world that we are living in. If everything is getting reinvented, everything that was has a new reinterpretation, including Hanuman Chalisa. The scriptures without context have no relevance. Karam Kand without being a good human have no importance. Perfection, which makes you feel like if you don't follow this, you'll fall off the wagon, is almost like a jail. Religion and spirituality are completely different things. Sanatan is just about truth, and truth is internal and external. And ultimately, if you have to stand for something, you will stand for truth. And there is no greater truth, according to me, other than courage, clarity, and change. This is just the fact of life, and I think the sooner we accept it, the better it would be. And I think for me, Hanumanji is just a symbol of that. I think if we could do it, then I can do it. And he is the highest. Like, we all need inspiration, and that's very inspiring. Also, I think I keep saying this, as an army kid, Hanuman is part of the army, and you love him almost like a first like a child, then as a friend, then as somebody who walks along with you for the rest of your life. So like a sakha, and then you just want to be like that, and you want to have that much love in your heart for your country, for something you believe in, for the work that you do, for the purpose of your life, for yourself, for other people. You want to be a better human because how can you love the other so much that you will take on the world for it. And with this deep sense of the whole element of you're not the doer, you're just the server, right, in a way. And you're in service of something higher than yourself, and that is a very beautiful lesson to learn in life. I think the sooner we stop taking ourselves very seriously and put ourselves not in the bottom of in the middle of anything, and we get out of our own way, I think life will be simpler, easier, better, beautiful. So yeah, Hanumanji, very important element of my life, and I'm very deeply inspired by him. And I love all the leelas and the stories. What about you? Tell.